How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about birth name number 4, outer expression, the deeper meaning. Alright, so before we get started, please subscribe to our channel and it's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. So without further ado, let's get started. A four-sided figure, Tetrad, was considered sacred because it represented the beginning of form. The sacred Trinity spoke the word that set up a vibration that sent molecules whirling into visibility, clothed in form. Everything that exists has to start with one and go through 3 successive stages to reach form in 4. 1. Idea. 2. Seed. 3. Growth. 4. Mature product, matter brought into being. Alright, so 4 represents the generative power from which all combinations are derived, the root of everything that can be named. Pythagoras concluded from this that there is a connection between God and numbers. In the law of opposites, Pythagoras called the 4 right and left. For where you are standing, the earth spreads out from the left and from your right. Geometrically, it is the square, the most stable of all forms. Number 4 is the physical plane, the 4 corners of the earth, north, south, east, and west. The 4 elements, fire, water, air, and earth. Also noted, there are 4 liberal arts, geometry, astronomy, music, and arithmetic, which are most important in understanding the other sciences. Pythagoras claimed that man has 4 powers, mind, science, opinions, and sense, making it a tetrad. And since the tetrad is the first solid figure, it represents immorality. The universal symbol for immorality is the pyramid because of its 4-cornered base. 4 establishes the basic structure on which matter is built. We are here to learn certain lessons, and those lessons are found in our personal names. Every letter and number contains divine attributes of our Creator, talents and qualities that have been given to us at birth. Joan's birth name number. By adding together both the total number values of the vowels and consonants, you will find the total expression of the name. This indicates the direction that one should find their happiness and success. It combines their innermost desires with the outward projection of their total personality and talents, and therefore paints a true picture of their personality. Ascribe to each of the letters and numbers value in the alphabet in the reference chart below, which we're going to show you now. Okay, so the value of a birth name expression. For example, Joan uses a name when she comes into contact with others. Her name is said when she speaks on the phone, when she speaks to family and friends, when she opens an account in a bank or in a shop. She not only says her name Joan, she writes it down. Everybody she knows calls her by a name. Numerology, numerical and alphabet reference chart. So here's the chart. It goes from 1 to 9. 1 stands for A, J, and S, right up to 9, I, and R. Name expressions. Joan's birth name expression number. J equals 1, O equals 6, A equals 1, N equals 5. You add all this up, it comes to 13. 13 equals 1 plus 3 equals 4. Therefore, Joan's birth name outer expression number is equal to the number 4. Alright, so vowels are the soul of the word, its life, so to speak. Vowels of a person's name bear a closer relationship to a person's inner feelings, which is the total number of the vowel numbers known as the soul urge number. From the soul urge number, we learn more subtle aspects of the individual's sensitivity, fortitude, and drive. This is expressed in a number of ways: feelings, emotions, desires, fancies, and so on. Vowels in Joan's name, O plus A equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. Therefore, Joan's soul urge inner expression number is equal to the number 7. Name number 4 upright, honesty and integrity. Let's get organized. When a man is honest, they say he is square with you. The 4 represents upright, honesty, and integrity. They are devoted to family, community, church, and country. Most people think that 13 is an unlucky number, which totals 4. Not so. It is the self 1 using its creative talents 3 to put an idea into form. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Geometrical 4 relates to the horizontal lines, squares, crosses, and rectangles. and all relates to building and creating something. Number 4s are closed on all sides and sometimes feel boxed in, but do not mind working in an office from 9 to 5 because that affords a feeling of security. They work hard to secure their future and set a firm foundation early in life. If they allow themselves to get totally wrapped up in work and forget to sometimes play, they can be considered boring and pretty dull by their peers. Number 4s are honest achievers and have material success throughout their lives. All 4s work well and are good with their hands. 4s also means working for perfection. 4s excel in writing, politics, and mathematics. Extreme 4s lack a sense of humor, takes everything too seriously, and can become violent. Okay, so Joan's vowels add up to 7. Her soul's urge in expression. Throughout the ages in every religion, the 7 was the symbol of ensouled, living man. Pythagoras called this number the vehicle of life, since it contains body and soul. Spiritual man has 5 senses: sight, touch, smell, and taste, plus the 6th of the mental perception, and the 7th of spiritual understanding. The 7 was sacred because it contains 3 and 4, 3 being matter and 4 being spirit that activates it. The 7 primary colors and the 7 tones of music supply the keynote of vibration to every living thing. Therefore, Joan's name number 4 outer expression and her soul's urge inner expression number 7 complement each other in that her full name Joan, including both consonants and vowels, ground her physically and spiritually to her time spent on earth. Alright, so that's it for this video, birth name number 4. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and once again subscribe to our channel, it's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated on all our future videos. Alright, until our next video on numerology, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.